great outdoors, nothing compares with a little fresh air and scenic beauty. But wouldn't it be nice to get away from it all without losing sleep to an uncomfortable cot or air mattress? This trip, rest easy with Camel Bunk from Disco Bed. Disco Bed is designed around this patented disc to give you an easy, tool-free setup. Like with all Disco Bed cot systems, it all starts with a click. The unique rail system provides stability and flexibility, adjusting and correcting for uneven ground, while the rounded end frame alleviates ground sinking. As one of the only cots on the market without a midbar, Camel Bunk provides a natural contouring sleep system. Our sleep system is easily bunkable to save tent space and supports up to 500 pounds on each level. Or convert the top bunk into a bench for daytime fun. Disco Bed also offers a range of accessories for storage and comfort. For more space under or between cots, accessorize with our optional leg extensions. The great outdoors have always been beautiful. Now they can be comfortable too, with Camel Bunk from Disco Bed.